welcome back to another episode of Wordle Hardmode. Today we're going to be doing Wordle for the 18th of June, 2023. We're going to be doing Wordle 729 today. And as always, we're going to start with yesterday's solution word, which is the word ranch. We get nothing. H. Let's do the word house. Another nice word. Okay. How about SH? Shift. That's a nice solid word. It's not that. A-E-I-O-U. Is it the word shyly? Huh, that's weird. Interesting word. The using two Y's is gonna be a little bit tricky for people. As always, I'm not like my current situation at home. Like my bed's all like piled on with stuff because I'm currently rearranging my room and such. So I'll be back on my PC in a couple days. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Thank you very much, and cheers.